guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's gonna be another unboxing, and it's the PC speaker. It's the Logitech Z407. If you remember, we purchased before the, was it the Creative, honey? Creative 820, and then it's packed up. It's only the subwoofer though. I only use it for almost a year. Oh no, it's 2 years, really, isn't it? So yeah, the subwoofer give up. I had to tape it a few times until it's fucked.
Was the wire?
I think the wires give up. So the both little speaker was still alright, but the subwoofer give up. So I was so really disappointed because the quality of it was brilliant, but what can we do? Husband's trying to save it if he can, but he said he can't, so he decided to get me one, and this is it. He purchased this one in Amazon and it arrived today. Let's do open it. Actually, husband opened it already from the Amazon box. He was too excited. So this is it, and this one is a lot bigger than the Creative 820 as far as I remember. But yeah, we got here is a controller. Oh, it's a Bluetooth, and you can adjust the, there you go. Was it good, wasn't it? You can press here next, and then volume just to turn it around, which is good. That's quite clever. And then the subwoofer, and it got the instruction, I think. I don't know, I can't read it. Some of them is not English anyway. Oh yeah, it has the instruction here, which is pretty looking forward, I think. There. There you go. Yeah, it looks pretty looking forward. And this one, you need 2 battery. Is it a AAA? 2 AAA for this one. Oh, cool. It's Bluetooth. Oh no. Let's rip it off. This is the subwoofer. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, it's quite heavy. This is the subwoofer. Look, it's Logi, but this is Logitech, and this has got the bottom.
Down firing.
What?
It's down firing.
And this is the back of this subwoofer. The good thing, this one is different. This is the normal, what you can see for the speaker, because the last one we had is rubbish. It's not same as this one, if you know what I mean. So this one is quite few. You got for the headphone, which is cool, and there's one for USB port. So yeah, this is a decent one. Subwoofer, and then it's the power. Yeah, you can plug the phone. It's here, the USB. And then the next one is this little thingy here, little box. It's pretty cool though, but hopefully the quality of it, because like I said, last time we got was really brilliant sounds. It's just a shame the subwoofer give up. Little box it got. Is it a stand? Oh yeah, a stand for the little speaker. Got 2. Oh, what wasn't? Oh yeah, 2 stand. That's really good. And this is a little bit bigger than the first one I got, isn't it? Yeah, this is a little bit bigger. And then there's the jack. It has decent size. I don't know how many meter, wasn't it? I think 2 or 3 meter. The cord, which is good. Easy as well, guys, to put this stand, because you just look, there's the back there, and just tuck it in. That's it. And there you are. You got your speaker. Like this way or that way. But for me, I prefer to do it like this. But there you go. It's up to you. If you got one. I got extra here. Little monkey. And the other one. So yeah, this one is blue. And then, which is easy to identify. Obviously, it's always come like that, isn't it? And the other one is gray. So I think I let my husband to install it. And we'll try what the sounds like. And there's another extra cord for, I don't know, I think this is for the phone. I'm pretty sure this is for the phone. And that's it.
Oh wow!
To be honest, it's pretty much looking forward to install it. So, Mister, put it on already. I got the two in the top and the subwoofers in the bottom. And the good thing this one is you're just gonna press this middle thing for 2 seconds to adjust the bass, which is pretty good. And then at the back we put the battery already. There's the Bluetooth sign here, if you can see. There you go, and just press it 2 seconds and it will connect straight away to your computer. So what we do, because we got no lid or anything, so I just connect to this thingy to my computer and it's working. So this one, if you want to adjust the bass, you just press 2 seconds and then it's gonna blip. And it means you can adjust the bass. So I'll let you hear the sounds of the speaker, the moment of truth. So I'm gonna show it to you. There you go. That's our PC. Are you ready for this? We turn it on. Turn it up. Using the pretty good bass. Let's lower it down. The quality of our speaker, guys, and it is really strong and clear bass. And the good thing of this little controller, you can connect it up to 3.5 meter away of your devices, so which is good, because even your phone or computer is a little bit far from you, you can still manage to control in this little thing. And for the price, £80, which is really good too. For the price is good, and for the sound quality is brilliant, and all in all, I would really highly recommend it. Everything is just spot on. And that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.